Okay, so yesterday we were done with the detailed introduction of the nucleic acid as well as the monomer of the nucleic acid, which was nucleotide. Now let's talk. Today we will be discussing about the structure of the nucleotide, or you can say that the monomer of the nucleic acid. So today I'll be showing you the structure of the nucleoside first of all, then nucleotide. So nucleoside is a first step, and this is the second step through which the nucleotide will be completely. So first of all, as you guys all know that in nucleoside there is at carbon number 1 there is nitrogenous base, and on carbon number there is a pentose sugar, and at one carbon there is nitrogenous base. If you're talking about nucleotide, so there is carbon number 1 and nitrogenous base and pentose sugar, and at carbon number 5 there is a phosphate group. So that's the difference between nucleoside and nucleotide. Nucleotide is having phosphate, nucleoside is having no phosphate, just nitrogenous base are similar to. So first of all, let's talk about the nucleoside structure. Okay, so there is a pentose sugar, as you can see. So let's make the pentose sugar. Carbon number 4, carbon number 3, carbon number 2, carbon number 1. That's it. Okay, now let's talk about this is carbon number 1. Okay, let me make here a little ring. Okay, so this is adenine. As you guys see that there is NH3. Okay, so that is adenine. Carbon number 5. There's N, and here you can see that is having there is amine more. Okay, here you can see this. Now if you're talking about the phosphate group, this is phosphate, this is the sugar, 5 pentose sugar. Here this is adenine. As you guys see that there is a methyl, there is not methyl, there is amine group at this. So we have taken adenine, here pentose sugar, here phosphate. Here you guys see at carbon number 1 there is a nitrogen base, and carbon number 5, oh no, first of all we are talking about the nucleoside. So nucleoside, as you guys see, there is at carbon number 1 there is having a nitrogenous base, that is adenine. Okay, so here we have taken the adenine. We can take any base here. Okay, so the nucleotide will be getting changed. So here you can see that this is pentose sugar, 5 carbon sugar. Here this is the nitrogenous base. Here you can see there the condensation of water. Here the hydrogen is released, here OH is released. So directly carbon number 1 is having the bond with carbon, and the H is having no bond with carbon, so that is joining with that. Okay, so as you can see the nitrogen is having 3 valencies, so this is bonding with the 3 bonded. And if you're talking about carbon, so carbon is having the 4 bonding, 1 2 3 4. So carbon valence is 4, so carbon is making the 4 bonds here, and nitrogen is making 3 bonds. So this is a nucleoside. How? This is pentose sugar, this is nitrogenous base, this is nucleoside. If you're talking about nucleotide, so here the nucleotide is having first nitrogenous base, which is here, and at carbon number 5 there is a phosphate. Carbon number 5 there is a phosphate. This is the second step, that is the nucleotide. Okay, okay, done. So this is the similar, it is similar to ATP, but there is a difference between the nucleotide and the ATP is that in nucleotide there is a phosphate 3 groups, when this structure will be 2 more, so that's why they will be called as the adenosine triphosphate or ATP. But here the structure of the, you can say that nucleotide is this. Okay, so today we have done with the structure of the nucleoside as well as nucleotide, or you can see the whole structure of the nucleotide, that how the nucleotide is made. So nucleotide is made by nucleoside, then nucleotide is made. Okay, so today we are done with the nucleotide.